In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on a map selection in Tableau. This process is a fantastic way to enhance your data visualization, allowing you to focus on specific regions with just a few clicks. Whether you're new to Tableau or just looking to refine your skills, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau app on your device. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and find the app on your computer and double-click to open. Once Tableau is up and running, it's time to access your worksheet. So, navigate to the worksheet where you want to perform the zoom-in action. If you've got multiple worksheets, make sure you're working on the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. With your worksheet open, you're going to drag the country and state data fields into the details section within the marks card. This action will help Tableau know exactly which pieces of data you want to focus on when creating your map. Detail is crucial for distinguishing different data points on a map, so be sure they're properly placed. Now it's time to transform your existing chart into a map. Look towards the chart panel and select Map from the options available. This change is essential as it visually prepares your data for the zoom functionality by laying it out in a geographic view. Tableau's mapping functionality is robust, offering a deeper analysis of your data. Next, you're going to drag the state field into the text section on the marks card. Adding state data to the text ensures that each state is labeled on your map, enhancing clarity when you zoom in or out. This feature promotes a better understanding of the data distributed across your map. After you've prepared the map, click on Worksheet from the top menu, then select Actions. This step is where you'll work with interactive actions in Tableau to make sure your map's zoom function operates correctly. Once in the Actions dialog, proceed by clicking Add Action and then choose Filter. This creates a new filter action. In the action settings, make sure to tick Select under Run Action On. By choosing this setting, you enable the map to zoom in response to selections, ensuring a seamless, interactive experience. After that, scroll down to the Filter section and select Select Field. Here, you will add filter and then choose State from the list of fields. Having set up your filters, go ahead and click OK to save all these settings. This finalizes your map's interactivity, allowing it to respond accordingly when a user selects different regions. And there you have it, a map in Tableau that's ready to zoom in seamlessly on specific areas, providing clearer insights into regional data. I hope you find this Tableau feature useful in your data storytelling and analysis. Thanks for watching.